Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Jazz radio. First, let's identify common issues like no power or sound, and then we'll check basic connections and fuses. It's also important to ensure your car battery is fully charged before proceeding with any repairs. This simple method can often resolve many common problems quickly and easily, saving you time and effort. Now, let's move on to some initial checks. You'll want to locate the radio fuse, typically found in your car's fuse box, and carefully inspect it for any breaks or damage. A blown fuse is a common culprit for a non-working radio. Additionally, take a moment to verify that all wiring connections to the radio are secure and properly seated, as loose wires can also cause issues. If the fuse and wiring seem fine, a simple radio reset might do the trick. To do this, disconnect your car battery for about 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect it and turn on the ignition. Your radio might then prompt you to enter a security code. Make sure you have this 4-digit or 5-digit code handy, as it's essential for restoring full functionality. For persistent issues, consulting your vehicle's owner's manual can provide specific details tailored to your Honda Jazz model. If problems continue, it might be time to consider professional assistance from a qualified mechanic or auto electrician. You can also explore online forums dedicated to Honda Jazz owners for model-specific advice and shared solutions from the community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.